illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to learn how to draw a groundhog character in honor of one of my favorite days of the year, Groundhog Day, that is right around the corner. So go ahead and grab your drawing materials and let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our groundhog character. The first thing we want to do is draw a slightly curved line, and this is going to be the top of our groundhog character's head. We'll start on the sides next. We'll come down and in slightly on that side and do the same thing on the other side there. Okay, another set of lines. 1 and 2. All right, now we're going to build on our groundhog's face. Now this groundhog's going to be popping out of a hole in the ground, so we're going to work on the hole that the groundhog's popping out of later. So right now we're going to focus on the groundhog itself. I'm going to add 2 curved lines for ears and a second set for a little detail there. And we'll build the face around our groundhog's nose. So we're going to make an upside down triangle right in the middle of this space here. And the eyes for our groundhog are going to be ovals. So 1 over here, 1, and 2. Put the pupils in the eyes. And if you've done other videos with me, you know that I love to leave a little space in the pupil to create a little eye highlight. All right, we're going to draw a slightly diagonal line down from our triangle here. And we're going to build the mouth and the teeth with this line. So we'll add a smile. And then we'll build on 2 teeth right there. 2 eyebrows. And we want some hair poking up there on top. And we'll add just a little bit of texture to this groundhog character. Just a few lines just to indicate that there is fur on our character here. Just at random. All right, now we're going to work on the pile of dirt that our groundhog is popping out from. So we're going to start by adding 2 paws down here. 1. And over here we're going to see the whole hand. Over here we're going to see the whole paw. Okay, so our groundhog has his paws on the edge of the pile of dirt here. So now we're going to add that dirt pile, which is just a series of curved lines all the way across and then extends beyond our character on both sides. So this is creating some really fun perspective for us here in this drawing. We'll add the bottom of this dirt pile here. And another set of curved lines. You can add in a little straight area here. Okay, so now we will just add a little bit of texture just to indicate that this is indeed a pile of dirt that our groundhog has dug up. Stick a few blades of grass in here at random. All right, illustrators, there we have our groundhog character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your markers, crayons, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, the last step that we have to do is sign our work. All right, illustrators, great job drawing your groundhog characters today. I cannot wait to figure out if he sees his shadow or if he does not see his shadow. In the meantime, I will see you all back here next time on Art with Ashley B. Bye!